Hey, what's up everyone? In today's video we will be looking at the Gold D9, which is the little brother of the Gold V18. This one has 9 pins, arranged in 3 rows, on the left, top and right. Let's take a look at the key. We can see the bitting for the left side, for the top and for the right side, right here. It's a really cute little chubby key, I would say. The housing, nothing too special there. Slide little metal plates for easier gutting, so this format is really nice. Let's take a look at the plug before we look at the pins, because there's something interesting in there. We can see that every chamber has overmilling, and it's that little extra step at the top of each chamber, like this one. You can see that there's like a wider section milled on top of it, and this is because, or what this does is that the drivers can get trapped here and you need to lift them out of there. So overmilling, same like the V18. Before I jump on the pins, I just mentioned that this plug also has 2 ball bearings that provide some stability to the core. And let's take a look at the pins. So for drivers, most of them are mushrooms. Goal really likes to use these. Key pins can look like this. Come on. So we can see some spooling on them, and they will give you counter rotation if you overset something. And we have also 2 zero lifts in this lock against each other, funnily enough, so that's annoying. And these use these kind of key pins. They're also spooled like tiered key pins. So a pretty nice mixture of pins and security features in such a small lock. In order to pick it, I will be using these 2 spool flags, XR and XL, and for the top pin is just SSD hook from Sparrows. In order to pick this lock, you first need to be mindful where are the zero lifts, of course, so you don't try to lift them, that makes sense. And you also need to understand that there's the overmilling, so despite you get counter rotation in a click, you still might need to come back to that particular pin in order to set it. So I guess that's another thing to be wary of. And if you have some nice snug fitting tension, it also helps, since you are running into some counter rotation during the picking process, so I guess that's important too. Alright, so let's jump into it. Okay, here we go. It works. Let's put in some counterclockwise tension and start on the left. So 1, 2, 0, 3, click there. Now on the right side there are 3 and 1. Okay, some clicks there. Check the top. Click on 1. Click on 2. And 3 and open. Okay, so have an open. So let's cut this lock real quick. Okay, this should work. Alright, so we have these nice removable viable covers. Actually, I'm gonna start on the left. So you just gently pry them off. Actually, I might use this. does this work even? Oh, come on. Okay, that should be enough. Okay, and the springs are exposed. No flying around. Okay, it's just as I said, the spring went flying. Really nice. Okay, that's karma. Fuck, I will need to look for this. These are so tiny. Oh god. Okay, I think I heard where it went, so hopefully I will find it. Incredible. Why did I say that? No flying around. Okay, so we have the left side, got it. Now it's got the top. My mind is already thinking where that spring went. I've had really terrible time looking for gold springs and Kava springs as well. They really blend with the environment. Oh, come on, dude, just go. Okay. No fuckers this time, please. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so there's 1, 2, 3. And finally, the right side. Looks like it's cooperating. Springs, okay. I have them all, I have them. Let's just put one here, here, and here. This is 3, I think, yeah. 2, and 1. Okay, so there's the log, got it. I will not be removing this core, maybe after for the introduction, but I think that's enough. Alright, so maybe one more close-up. Holy shit, it's zooming really slow. Why? I don't know, but it's zooming anyway. Okay, so here's the pins, and thank you for watching, guys. I'm gonna go and look for that spring because it's a nightmare. See ya!